Hello everyone, Ankur here from TopDogStore. Hope you guys are keeping well. We are unboxing our another machine which is used for Greyhound training, and we call this as KevDog model. 24 volt is a professional machine which is used by the Greyhound trainers across Ireland and other countries as well. So this is how the machine looks. Now you can see this is in black case. That's just the color of the case. So this can be in green, camo green, or this can be in black case. This is our new cases now. You can see how the branding and everything. The machine weighs approximately 7.2 kgs, and this is on and off switch. There you go, and that's a speed control. We'll get to that now. So let's unbox it. Let's see what's in there. So you get long range aerial, remote, external antenna, a roll of the lure, a charger, and a box of accessories. All batteries will be marked inside the machine. So we do take the battery terminals out for the transportation, but they're marked, so it's very straightforward for you to plug it in and get going. The aerial goes at the back over here. The best part about this machine is this gets you a range of up to 100, 120, 20, 150 meters. Some customers have reported to get a range of up to 200 yards as well with this external aerial and with the antenna. There's an on and off button over here on the side of the machine. This bottom is off. If you pull it, it's up. There are two buttons, A and B. They both do the same job, but they're redundant just in case over the period of time that they use. A acts up, you can use the B, or B acts up, you can use the A. We use this to make the load. Take 40-50 centimeter length of strips, about 10 to 15, tie them together, tie it to the line, and that's the lure. That's your charger. It's like a wall charger. So this goes into the wall, and that's the port that goes here, this side, in here. These are the few extra fuses. You have green, you have purple, and then you have ground pegs which are used over here, all four sides, and you just give them a couple of turns and it goes into the ground to hold the machine nice and firm during the use. It comes with a 330 yards line, which is 300 meters, which is pretty much the standard gallop across the sport. And you have this eyelet through which the line has to be passed through to make sure that when it's pulled in, it stays within the wheel. Let's see how this works. So what you're going to do is, as you can see, this is a speed controller. 12 o'clock position is off. As you switch it on, it clicks. That means you're adjusting the speed. I'm gonna put a very low speed because we are indoor. Make sure the line is always tight, it's not loose. And when you're testing it, keep it down to about 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, like this. Speed over here indoors, and we press the button here. There. So what we're doing is basically it's a toggle function. We press, as we hold it, it starts to accelerate, gets to the peak speed, what has been set from here. If I increase this, the peak speed will be very fast. So as you can see, so what we have seen usually, people trainers using this machine. This is our flagship product from last over 2 years, very successful. This speed would be approximately 6 or 7 o'clock on the dial over here. That's halfway down. That's what you would be kind of needing when you're training the greyhounds. I'll bring it back down again, just in case. And so A, B. When you press it, there's a light comes over here. If this light is not coming, means the battery needs to be swapped. There's a light at the back. All remotes come with the batteries. So that's it. Yeah. So the way you operate the speed is on off the toggle function, but you don't have to really do it very quickly. Once you let the motor accelerate to its top speed, it will create a very smooth motion. It will go all the way, and then you can let it go. So once 2 second press, 1 second let go, kind of thing, based on the speed you have set over here on the dial on the speed controller. Matter of practice, a couple of dry runs without the dogs, and you get a hang of it, and it will just move very smoothly. So that's it, folks. This is our KevDog model, 24-volt, and we supply this across the world. If you're looking to buy it in Europe or Ireland, we have a dedicated website, Irish website for European customers, which is www.topdogstore.ie. And if you're based in England and looking to procure this machine, you can buy through our English website, which is www.topdogstore.co.uk. Shipping to Ireland is about 15 euros, and to England is about 16 or 17 sterlings. To Europe, it's mostly 39 euros, no taxes, no custom, no duties. And some of the countries in Europe has about 40 to 45 because there's some extra tariffs in few countries, only a couple of them, mostly Nordic parts. So this is it, folks. 24-volt KevDog model for Greyhound training with toggle remote function and the long range remote. Thank you very much for your time. Have a good day. Bye bye.